This is Ilsa's new game. What can I say? She has brothers. Hey, Ilsa. Ilsa, what are you doing today?